Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at this beautiful brand new 2020 GMC Acadia Denali trim level, powered by the 3.6 liter V6, made up to a 9-speed automatic transmission, and is all-wheel drive. Once inside the very luxurious Denali interior, we do have the power windows, power folding mirrors. We do right down there have our dial for our trunk, power tailgate. We do have memory seating as well and easy exit, that button right there. We do have the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, beautiful Denali trim in the middle there. Speak to talk, dash and audio controls piloted from your leather-wrapped steering wheel. Only 5 kilometers on the odometer here. Brand new Acadia Denali. We do have the 8-inch touchscreen for your nav, audio, and climate controls. Apple CarPlay in there as well. We have Android Auto, navigation, all those awesome features. We do have AC and your climate controls here. Below that, your drive selection buttons. So they're actually buttons now. They're not a column shifter or anything. Automatic auto stop start, traction control, parking sensors front and rear there as well. We do have heated and ventilated seats. We have lane keep assist. We have two-wheel drive, front wheel drive, or we have 4x4. We have the different modes, race oriented, off-road and trailering mode. Beautiful wood trim pieces thrown in here. We got the black leather interior with the white stitching. Power windows throughout. Bose audio system. Beautiful Denali sewn into the headrest there. Those awesome leather heated and cooled seats. Cooled seats are very nice for days like this. Keeps you nice and cool. Head to toe, very comfortable. Looking at the exterior of the Denali Acadia, we do have the beautiful 20-inch wheel and tire package there. Michelin all-season tires. We do have keyless entry as well as keyless locking. We do have color matched door handles, mirror caps, Denali trim chrome on the sides there, LED headlights, LED tail lamps, roof rails up top. We have the just foot activated tailgate as well, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, Denali there. Key in your pocket, walk up and wave your foot underneath. The door does open here. Don't have the key in my pocket, but you have the beautiful C-style LED lights. Looks pretty modern. Jumping right back into the interior here, our second row is actually a bench seat. So we have a 60-40 bench seat split. Both end seats are heated. Both end seats are car seat ready. We do have the rubberized mats. That's the carpeted floor mats here. You can see the heated seats, rear climate control, and some outlets. We got dual sunroofs, one up front, one in the rear for the rear passengers. We have the AC through the roof as well as LED lighting. Quick, easy slide up seats to jump into the rear. 2 more seats, a 50-50 split back there as well. Both seats do fold down nice and flat, giving you tons and tons of trunk room all the way through. These seats as well do fold flat like so, and giving you the whole ability to fold everything nice and flat if you need some large cargo space. Thank you for watching this brief walk-on video. This brand new 2020 GMC Denali Acadia. If this is your next SUV, come down and see us here at GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest, or shop online at gslgmcity.com.